You've probably heard about foods with a high glycemic index spiking blood sugar level, but do you really know what that means? It's a term that often circulates in conversations around health and nutrition, yet its intricate details, and the profound impact it can have on our bodies, are not always fully understood by many. The glycemic index isn't just a medical term or a concept discussed in the world of dietetics, it's a significant element that every individual, seeking a healthier lifestyle, should comprehend and consider in their daily dietary choices. Understanding the glycemic index is crucial in a world facing a rise in chronic illnesses like diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. In this video, we'll explore the glycemic index's role in our diet and health, examining how various foods impact our glycemic response. The glycemic index, GI, is a numerical system, a tool that evaluates and ranks foods based on their effect on blood sugar levels. Ranging from 0 to 100, each score directly correlates with the speed and magnitude at which a food can elevate blood glucose levels. It's grounded in precise scientific measurements, with pure glucose serving as a benchmark, assigned a maximum GI value of 100. This rating is not just a numerical value but a guide, especially crucial for individuals aiming to balance and control their glucose levels. Low GI foods, with values 55 or less, have a mild impact on blood glucose, making them favorable options for many. So what are the types of foods that have high GI? Number 1. White bread. White bread is a common part of many people's diet, but it has a high glycemic index due to its refined grain content. Being easily digestible, it causes a quick and significant rise in blood sugar levels. The absence of fiber in white bread accelerates the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, making it a food item to be consumed in moderation, especially for individuals monitoring their blood sugar levels. Number 2. Potatoes. Potatoes, especially when boiled or baked, can have a high glycemic index. Their starchy nature breaks down into glucose rapidly in the body, leading to a spike in blood sugar. While they are a source of vitamins and minerals, balancing them with lower GI foods can help mitigate the rapid increase in glucose levels. Number 3. Rice cakes. Rice cakes are low in fiber and rich in carbohydrates, a combination that results in a swift increase in blood sugar levels. While often considered a healthy snack, it's essential to consider their GI ranking and impact on glucose levels. Number 4. Cornflakes. Being highly processed, cornflakes are quickly converted into sugar in the body. The rapid digestion and absorption process leads to a spike in energy, but it's often followed by a sudden drop, impacting energy levels and mood. Number 5. Soda. Sugary drinks, including sodas, provide a direct supply of sugar to the bloodstream, leading to an instant increase in glucose levels. Their lack of nutritional value and rapid impact on blood sugar makes them a less optimal choice for those aiming to maintain stable energy levels. Number 6. Candy. Candies, packed with high sugar content, lead to a rapid surge in energy levels, which is often followed by a crash. This can affect mood and energy, making it crucial to consume them in moderation. Number 7. Pretzels. Made from refined flour and low in fiber, pretzels have a high GI. They are digested quickly and lead to a rapid increase in blood glucose. Pairing them with protein or healthy fats can help moderate the glycemic response. Number 8. Instant oatmeal. While oats are generally healthy, the instant variety is processed and low in fiber, resulting in rapid sugar absorption. Choosing less processed forms of oats can support more balanced blood sugar levels. Number 9. Melons. Melons, though nutritious and hydrating, can sometimes cause a quick rise in blood glucose due to their natural sugar content. Balancing their intake with foods high in fiber or protein can mitigate the rapid glycemic response. Number 10. Pineapple. Pineapple is rich in nutrients, but also comes with natural sugars that can cause a significant increase in blood sugar. Consuming it in moderation or with other low GI foods can help manage the glucose response. Now, let's talk about top foods that have low GI. Number 1. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat, are a powerhouse of nutrients. Rich in fiber, they promote a slow and steady release of glucose into the bloodstream, ensuring sustained energy levels and reducing the risk of sugar spikes and crashes. Number 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber. Their rich nutritional profile supports stable blood sugar levels, making them a staple for those aiming for balanced energy intake and release. Number 3. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and other legumes are known for their complex carbohydrate content. These carbs digest slowly, avoiding rapid spikes in blood sugar and providing a steady energy source, beneficial for overall glycemic control. Number 4. Berries. Berries, including strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are packed with fiber and antioxidants. Their natural sweetness comes with a minimal impact on blood glucose levels, offering a healthy option for those looking to satisfy their sweet tooth without compromising blood sugar control. Number 5. Nuts. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and cashews are enriched with healthy fats and proteins. These components contribute to a slower, more balanced absorption of sugars, aiding in the stabilization of blood sugar levels. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. These are a healthier alternative to regular potatoes, boasting a lower starch content and higher fiber levels. Sweet potatoes ensure a moderate rise in blood glucose, making them a preferred choice for maintaining energy equilibrium. Number 7. Yogurt. Yogurt, particularly the unsweetened and fermented varieties, often exerts a modest effect on blood sugar. The probiotics and protein content further support metabolic health, contributing to a balanced glycemic response. Number 8. Pasta, whole grain. When cooked to an al dente texture, whole grain pasta exhibits a lower glycemic response. The higher fiber content slows down the absorption of sugars, ensuring a gradual rise in blood glucose levels and sustained energy. Number 9. Barley. Barley is not just versatile, but also rich in soluble fiber. It aids in moderating blood glucose levels by slowing the absorption of sugars. Incorporating barley into meals can contribute to a balanced and steady energy supply. Number 10. Apples. The natural sugars in apples are balanced by their substantial fiber content, resulting in a moderate glycemic index. Consuming apples can satisfy sugar cravings while ensuring that blood glucose levels remain stable, supporting overall metabolic health. The glycemic index of food can be influenced by several factors like: Number 1. Preparation. How food is cooked can alter its GI, with grilling and boiling typically resulting in a lower GI compared to frying and roasting. Number 2. Ripeness. The GI of fruits can increase as they ripen due to the changing sugar composition. Number 3. Processing. Processed foods often have a higher GI due to the reduction in fiber and increase in sugar. So how can you make the GI work for you? Understanding the GI can be a powerful weapon in your nutritional arsenal. Balancing high and low GI foods in your diet can lead to sustained energy, improved satiety, and enhanced overall health. It's not just about the numbers, but integrating this knowledge into a holistic approach to your well-being. With this understanding, you're well equipped to make informed choices, transforming each meal into an opportunity for optimal health. The glycemic index is more than a concept, it's a practical tool ready to be applied, offering a roadmap to a balanced and energized life. If you found this video useful and informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with friends and family, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Your support helps us create more videos to assist you in leading a healthier, more balanced life. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching.